Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to reactivate Instagram account, and now let's dive right in. Now, in order to deactivate an Instagram account, you must first know a thing, that is until your account will be available until the 30 days of your deactivation. After that, your account will be deleted. So with that being said guys, before 30 days you will be able to deactivate your Instagram account. Now, in order to deactivate your Instagram account, you just need to open your Instagram app and log into your account only. And of that, after a few moments of logging into your account, an option will appear where it says to either delete your account or keep your account, and you will be required to tap on the keep your account option, and then your Instagram account will be reactivated in a moment. And with that being said guys, after you log in, you just deactivate your Instagram account. And guys, this is how to deactivate your Instagram account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.